Hello friends, and welcome back to the VS Code guy. Today we are going to see a fantastic way of creating repositories to the GitHub by using the famous GitHub Desktop. Let's get started. Now head to Chrome, and inside Chrome search for GitHub Desktop. Open the first link that says GitHub Desktop, and now we are at the official GitHub Desktop site. It says GitHub Desktop simplifies your development workflow. I'm going to download it, and now it's downloading. It will take a minute or so till the time we can scroll down and see it shows commits. It says commit together if you are working as a team, expanded image different support, extensive editor and shell integrations and whatnot, community support and blah blah blah. And till the time it's downloading, it says opening in 23 seconds, so let me wait. And let me tell you, this is a very precious app, and if you are not a fan of, or if you are lazy enough to type and git init or git commit and blah blah blah, or if you are neither a fan of doing and pushing and pulling from the source control every time passing commit, then this is the best option for you, GitHub Desktop. So now let me open it. And now this is the homepage of the GitHub Desktop. Let's get started. At the upper left corner you have clone a repository from the internet, means from your GitHub account. The second says create a new repository from your hard drive or an existing repository from your hard drive to your GitHub account. And below it says you can drag and drop an existing repo. This I find a very awesome feature, that you can drop the whole folder here in order to make it publish to the repository. So in the file I have new repository, add a local repository, Control O, and clone repository. We will see what cloning a repository is in the next video series. So let's get started. So I'm going to make a new repository. I'm going to name it demo3a, since I have dealt with 3 ways of cloning a repository or making a repository, sorry. It says initialize this with a readme. Okay, done. It says none dot get ignore. I have to do none. And then license, I can choose any license. Usually MIT license is preferred, but for now I'm going to use none. And then create repository. And now it has made a repository demo3, as you can see here. Demo3a is the current repository. It says current branch master, means number of branches, the master branch in my repository, and this option is the publish repository option. It says publish your repository to the GitHub. This repository is currently available on local machine. It has not been uploaded to the GitHub yet. It says open in Visual Studio Code, Control Shift A, and it says in your Explorer, show in Explorer. Then this is the demo3a repository I have made just now. This is get to know, this is readme, and inside readme I have demo3a. So I'm going to close it. It says open in repository external editor. I'm going to open it in VS Code. So here it is, demo3a. Let me be sure. Yes, this is demo3a. And inside readme I have demo3a. So let me add. This is from demo3a and demo3a and from local new repository or repo. I'm going to add, since I have edited the readme file. Now if I go to desktop, it shows 1 changes in the demo3a repository. This is from the demo 3 and from the local repository. This is a new change. If I go to this yellow tab, this button, it shows that you have made some changes. In the history, I have Muhammad Akif committed 2 minutes ago, and what I have committed inside readme, it was demo 3a, but now I made it. This is the demo 3a, and from new repository, I have made this change. So inside this, I have I can pass any commit message. It says commit to master, and I'm going to commit to the master now. I'm going to click it, and it says, and all these changes are now gone. There was a change at readme here. Inside the change file there was a readme change that I made just now, and now it's gone. Inside history I have, it says Muhammad Akif committed just now. Yes, so I'm going to publish it. I'm going to publish to the github.com, so I have to sign in. I type in my username and the password as well. Now it's signing in, and I have been signed in, so I'm going to publish the repository. So let me be sure that I have no changes left. So I'm going to publish the repository. The repository name must be demo3a, and description could be from the local repo or from the new repo, local repo, whatever you can name it, anything you want, XYZ. Publish repository. I'm going to publish it, and you can see at the top it's pushing to the origin, means it is pushing to the master branch to the GitHub, to my GitHub account. So once it is done, we will head to GitHub and see what the changes are being made. It says open the repository in GitHub in your browser. View on GitHub. Let me see. View on GitHub. Now be sure that the repo name is demo3a. If I click this, then you must be able to see a repository demo3a, and now here it is demo3a. So inside my account I have demo3a, and inside demo3 I have readme, which have the commit as readme updated, which I pass from here, readme updated. So I have a readme updated here inside the readme, inside my demo3a, and this is demo3a from the local repo is inside this. See, this is the thing which has been staged to that GitHub repository. So let me get to Chrome, and inside this I have git attributes. Okay, fine, it's demo3a from the local repository. Okay, description, and I'm going to refresh it, and we are done. Now the new repository have been made. So if I go to branch master, then I can make a new branch. Let me name the new branch as new. I'm going to create a branch. So I have two branches inside my demo3a, this the master branch as well as the new branch I have made just now. Inside the master branch I have no changes. This was the change I made just before, and inside the master I have no changes. So I'm going to see that if the new branch has some changes. I'm going to this VSCODE, and let me open it. So this is the and from the local repo. I'm going to change it from the local repo to something else. I will add new branch, so that this is a change inside my new branch. So you will see in the new branch I have changes made. One readme has been changed, and you will see it has been changed from the local repo to the from local repo and new branch. So this is a change inside the new branch of demo3a repository. So I'm going to add a commit readme updated from new branch. Okay, I'm going to commit it. Now all that stage changes have now been gone. It says publish your branch, and I can publish it either from here or from pushing to origin, or from here. Now wait, hold on, it's fetching the origin, and now it has been published. So let me head to Chrome, and now refresh the page. Now you will see the commit as inside the master you will see readme updated, and inside new you will find the commit as branch readme update from new branch, that commit which I passed from the desktop. And inside this you will see this is demo 3 from local repo and new branches. Now this new thing is added from the VS Code. Now it says compare and pull request. I'll go for it later. So for now I have two branches inside my demo 3, the master branch and the new branch. I'm going to use compare and pull request, so I can merge both the branches, and now it shows I am able to merge both the branches. Why? Because I have same or identical content in both the branches. I can make a pull request from here or either from here. It's your choice. It says merge pull request. Okay, readme updated from new branch. Let me edit this. It says readme updated or merge readme merge from both branches. Okay, both branches, confirm merge. Now it's merging the master branch as well as the new branch. It says readme updated merged. That means both of my branches have been merged inside the demo 3 repository. Okay, if I can add a new repository from here or from a local repository or from options, these is options. It shows you are signed in to the GitHub account, and inside repository I can remove, I can push, I can pull the repository, I can remove the repository, I can view the repository as it is on the GitHub like this. It says it shows the repository on GitHub, and I can show in Explorer, means in my machine, in my Visual Studio Code. And for now I'm going to new branch. New branch shows a new branch to add, merge into current branch. It means I've just showed you now how to merge both branches. Either you can do from here or you can do from there. So for now I'm going to remove the repository, and it says are you sure you want to remove the repository? Okay, I'm going to remove it. So now remove, and I'll be happy to remove it. Okay, continue, and again, now it has been removed. So we saw how to create a new repository to the GitHub, sorry, and now we will see how to add an existing repo from your hard disk, means from your local machine, to the GitHub. So I'll make a new folder in the desktop. I'm going to name it demo 3b, since this is the part 2 of demo 3. Since I'm lazy to make new files, so I'm going to copy it from the demo 3a, copy and paste. So now I have demo 3b and all the files inside it. Okay, open with code. Now it has been opened in code, so let me be sure it is demo 3b. Okay, it's demo 3b. Now inside the readme, this is demo 3a. Since I have copied, so it is shown demo 3a. So I'm going to edit it. Oh sorry, it is demo 3b. So let me add this is from demo 3b and from existing local repo. Okay, let me save it. And if I go back to GitHub Desktop, it says add an existing repository. If I click this, it says choose the repository. I choose demo 3b. Okay, open the folder. It says create a repository here instead. Okay, as you wish, you're the master. Add the repository, but name it demo 3b, and the description is maybe it can be like demo 3b. Okay, it's fine. Initialize with a readme, of course. No need for git ignore, no need for licensing. Okay, create repository. Okay, now the repository has been created. Open in VS Code. Fine. Now it has been opened, so let me be sure this is demo 3b. Of course this is demo 3b, so let me add this is demo 3b, and from existing local repo, from local repo or existing local repo, whatever the order doesn't matters. So let me save it. If I head back to desktop, now this says demo 3b has been updated, so I put existing repo or existing repo updated or something like that inside the commit, and I'm going to commit it. Now all the changes have been stashed. Now it says publish repository, it says keep this code private. Okay, publish repository, it's publishing the repository to my GitHub account, sorry. So once it's finished, you will see a repository, a whole new repository, demo 3b, inside which the readme will have the updated I just passed. Okay, committed, no state changes. I'll go to GitHub, refresh it, and I will search for, it was demo 3b. Okay, where is demo 3b? Here it is, demo 3b. So inside demo 3b I have existing repo updated inside the readme, and inside readme I have this is demo 3b and from local existing repo. Okay, this is same as here, so that make sure that demo 3b came from the existing local repo. Okay, that's fine. So let me close it or minimize it, whatever. This is I'm going to head to desktop, and inside this we are done with this, so I'm going to remove this. So this is how you can add a new repository, create a new repository on your local machine and upload it to your GitHub account, or you can upload an existing repository from your local machine to your GitHub account. I've showed you these two options. In the next video I will show you how to clone the repository from the GitHub account and how to do this making of repository in a better way of drag and drop in the next video. So please be sure and make sure that you will see the next video so that you will never miss the next video. I have put a link in the description of that video, and I've also put the end screen of the YouTube of that video. Please make sure to watch that video too, and till then, good night and thank you.